Hello guys, this is Art Neil Gaming. At sa video na ito, kukunin natin ang binigay na skin ni Jules Gaming 2.0. So, your friend, Saint Jules gifted you the Nightmare Count skin and left the following message. Hey, happy yes birthday, enjoy. Jules Gaming Cute 2.0. Bukas birthday ko guys, July 29. At i-claim ko na tong skin ngayon para magamit sa rank game dahil isa tayong Leomord main at alam ni Jules yan.
Valor and royalty in a dead body.
Yun know? Kahit meron tayong Ducati guys, gamitin pa rin natin to kasi namimiss ko na yung kabayo ni Leomord. Lagi na lang Ducati gamit ko motor. Maraming salamat. Support natin si Jules Gaming 2.0 on FB. Support our fellow content creators and streamers. Thank you for watching. This is my 640 skin. Nightmare Count. No dream is safe from this rider of the night. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.